Hello everybody. Today we are going to basic Mastercam first video. We are going this the upside menu, the ribbon bar upside the new function Mastercam 2023 all tutorial. Please watch more videos. Subscribe now. Okay, we are going to this new control plus n new for new files generate Mastercam new. Then this analyze database. Analyze database any entities that are shown. How many entities that are shown. Then this save control plus S. Now we are working the file. Save the desktop or any folders. The Mastercam file. So you want the solid model. You want maybe the solid part. I generate solid part. The solid model. So save function is now file name. Which name? Then this is the format. Which format you save? Mcam format is Mastercam file format. You working finish after save, again open, then any modify the Mastercam software. Then another version you want IGS and step file 3D part, the 3D drawing step file is saved. This IGS and STL, STI, STP step file generate the 3D part saved. Then the 3D PDF now new version 2023 is now new version 3D file format. 3D file format is all toolpath and all mobile view can mobile view the project document file 3D PDF file. Old version this not available, and CATA format and everything all formats you need to save this, use that. Then the open is now Mastercam. This is Mastercam file, all Mastercam files shown. Maybe step file or anything file not shown in the folder. You change all files shown, the solid work, the solid model, another all files shown. Only Mastercam file shown, select Mastercam file, all Mastercam file shown. Then the open and then print. The print is now the desktop is printed out, drawing or 2D drawing anything. Now we have the axis and this WSC work coordinate system and the WC and toolpath plane and C plane zone this. You need to print out this zone axis disable and view zone geometry disable. Now print out the axis not zone, only the solid model only zone and drawing zone, easily to print out. Then save as, change this save file and save as. Save as is now save this file name. Again save as. Another format you need to save. Then zip to co. Zip to co is the zip format open. And to control plus Z. And to you need to previous. I sketch that solid model previous and to Redo control plus Y is read the previous any error you need to undo. The forward go the Redo use. Then this arrow mark the sound the menu you need to minimize ribbon bar this. The ribbon bar is minimized. Another one the arrow click any you need to click again any desktop click automatically hidden. You need to this arrow shown the upside automatically not hidden shown anytime. So use this minimize ribbon for. Then more command. More command you need to another shortcuts the add to this library. I no need to the analyst database the remove. Then okay the analyst database is not shown. So use customize. More command is customize your ribbon bar. So below the ribbon bar, the ribbon bar is shown the below side, shown above the ribbon bar. The ribbon bar upside zone. So basically this I will cover. Then thank you for watching. Thank you very much.